In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Purge command in AutoCAD, clean up your drawing fast. If your file feels heavy, sluggish, or cluttered with layers and blocks you no longer use, Purge is the safe, built-in way to clear out the extras without touching your current geometry. Start by opening the drawing you want to clean, click into the command line, type Purge, and press Enter. Typing is the quickest route, and it brings up the Purge dialog immediately so you can see everything AutoCAD considers removable in one place. In the Purge dialog, you'll see categories such as unused layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, and more. These are items that exist in the drawings database, but aren't actually used by any object. Expand the categories to review what's inside. If you see an item you recognize but don't need, it's safe to select. A quick tip here, certain items like the current layer or the default layer 0 can't be purged. If something refuses to purge, it's likely still in use, nested inside a block, or referenced by an external attachment. There's also an option to purge nested items, which helps you remove unused components tucked inside other definitions. Use that carefully if you want a deeper cleanup. When you're comfortable with your selections, click Purge. AutoCAD will remove those unused definitions and typically report what was purged and what could not be purged. Nothing that's actively used in the drawing will be deleted, so you don't have to worry about losing visible geometry. If some items remain, check whether they're part of a placed block, the current layer, or tied to an external reference. Those will need to be unused before they can be purged. Now take another look through the categories and repeat the process for any remaining items. It's common to run Purge a couple of times, especially after blocks or layers get freed up by earlier purges in the session. Keep going until the counts drop to 0 or you've removed everything you intended. You'll often notice a smaller file size and snappier performance after a thorough pass. When you're satisfied, click Close to exit the dialog. That's it. You've cleaned your drawing using the Purge command. Consider making this part of your regular housekeeping, especially before sharing files or archiving projects. A tidy drawing is easier to manage, faster to open, and less likely to confuse your team with legacy layers and definitions you don't need.